Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Markovnikov's rule. Now this rule is applicable when unsymmetrical reagent is added to the unsymmetrical alkene. Now for example, consider unsymmetrical alkene like propylene, that is CH3CH double bond CH2. When such type of alkenes are treated with unsymmetrical reagents like HBr, then Markovnikov's rule is applicable. So as per this rule, negative part of the reagent, that is Br, added to that carbon of carbon-carbon double bond which carries a lesser number of hydrogen atoms. For example, when propylene, which happens to be unsymmetrical alkene, is treated with unsymmetrical reagent like HBr, then negative part get added to this carbon and positive part get added to this carbon, as a result of which an addition product so obtained is 2-bromopropane, that is isopropyl bromide. Now as far as mechanism of this reaction is concerned, what happens? First of all, this propylene ultimately get attacked by HBr in very first step, and due to which a pi complex is formed as an intermediate. So pi complex which can be formed can be shown as, now bromine being electronegative, it is expected to carry the shared pair. So this is a pi complex. Now a sudden twist comes. What happens? So hydrogen ultimately get added, and there are two chances of formation of an intermediate. For example, if hydrogen goes to this carbon, then this carbon, this middle carbon would acquire positive charge, and that lead to the formation of a secondary carbocation. This is 2-degree carbonium ion, that is carbocation. Now another thing is, if this hydrogen goes to, added to this carbon, then this carbon would acquire positive charge, and that may lead to the formation of a primary carbocation, that is 1-degree carbonium ion. Now in Arabic, I must say, hast fil jannat bil bakhare, that is the stable species predominates for sure. We know very well that the 2-degree carbonium ion, secondary carbonium ion, is stable as compared to that of 1-degree carbocation. Therefore it predominates. Now what happens in next step? This 2-degree, secondary carbonium ion, which is stable as compared to that of primary, ultimately formed in excess, and this cation get attacked by halide ion, in this case bromide ion, and that lead to the formation of 2-bromopropane, that is isopropyl bromide. Hence as far as Markovnikov's addition is concerned, the negative part of reagent added to that carbon of carbon-carbon double bond which carries lesser number of hydrogen atom. And remember, this rule is applicable when unsymmetrical reagent is added to the unsymmetrical alkene. Thank you very much.